Hey guys, it's a beautiful Monday, and I just felt like chatting with you guys about some of the stuff I'm doing. So, first off, let me move this book real quick. So, I trash picked this cabinet. Isn't it nice? And I got it in the art room. It's working out great. All I got in it is my sketchbooks, acrylic, oil paints, watercolor books, like everything. All my sketchbooks are in here on the side too. It's great because then they don't get in the way and they're not getting messy or broken up. So that's pretty cool. Isn't it pretty though? I mean, it looks brand new. So also, now I found these little, they're in like a plastic container like this. And actually this was with it. There's a black, a white, and like a cream color. And I tried, that's going to roll off the table. I tried drawing with them. Let me pull it out of the trash can. See? And this was the black one. That was the cream one. Get out of here. There's still plastic, but okay, whatever. It don't matter. I'm going to throw it back in the trash. I didn't like this picture, so I figured let me use it. I don't know what it is. At first, I thought it was some kind of like something like this, a pan pastel, or even like a charcoal, something like that, but a smaller, because they were in like these little, but it's not. I have no idea what this is, so I'm gonna throw them away, I think, or I'm gonna like draw on the sidewalk with them. But look, I just tried to use the black right here, and it didn't do anything, and it's all just crumbly. And then I try to rub it in, and this is what it looks like. This is what the black looked like. This is what this color looked like. Black. I have no idea what they were. I thought maybe they were some kind of like pan pastel. But, and here's something else that came with it. It's a gold one. Here, hold on. I'll show you. All right, so open it up. And it's hard. This is like all chipped up. And this is like, it's not smooth at all. But it will get gold on your finger if you rub it. Almost like a old makeup, maybe? I don't even know. Here, I'll show you. Let me dump that out. This is what it says on there. I have no idea what it is. Okay, so anyway, here's some stuff I'm working on. Here's my huge, gigantic sketchbook. Now, let me put it over here. All right, let me open it up. It's just that I'm working on it. So don't judge it yet. It's a sea scene with people surfing. There's a shark going after him. He's got a little selfie stick. This one's diving in the water. This little kid's jumping in the water, splash. Meanwhile, there's a fish there. There's all this trash on the bottom of the sea. I only did it because I took some old paint, like this paint, I was using it on something else. And I had it extra, so I was like smeared it on this, on here. And I was like, oh, this looks like an underwater scene. Like, and this is the sky here. This is all water. Yeah, I'm still working on it. So, here's some more pastel stuff I'm working on. I'm going to use my pastel pencils to really put some detail in it. And I used some, what's it? Oh my God, Bristol paper. And I used my fine pumice gel on it. Excellent. I love it. I love it to death. Oh man, I found some I found some paintings that were in the trash, but I'm going to use them because of the frames and stuff. I'm like, yeah, I got another one. Got a whole bunch back here. Let's see. See all the frames? Yeah, but you know what? This one's kind of neat looking, right? Look at that. That was kind of like interesting to look at. Okay, so last thing I want to show you guys. Here's my painting. I'm done. I'm done this one. I think it's all right. What I did was I put some stuff here to make it look wrinkly, like she's older. Same with her eyes, like the wrinkles under her eyes. And got a little wrinkle on this part of the arm. So I kind of like, there's some stuff coming off there. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't know if YouTube will not like it, but so I'm not going to say. But you can, whatever you want to know about it or what you think it's about. You can place your ideas on it. But I'm pretty sure she's done. Now there's another one I'm working on that I think I'm also done. It's this one. I spray painted it. I used acrylic. I've used ink. But yeah, oh, here comes Franny. Hi, Franny. Say hi to the camera, Franny. Hi, Franny. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so pretty. So, yeah. That's my painting. Now, here's something weird. I have the picture and stuff right in the middle of my camera, and I've been noticing like the end result after I press play after recording, it'll be off to the side or even invisible. Like, okay, right now this one's in the middle, and then I'll after I'm done recording it, I'll look and it'll be over here. I have no idea what that's about. So anyway, yeah, I hope you like my paintings. I kind of like dig this one. It's a little different. Different. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. I'm hoping you're having a great Monday. It's beautiful over here. All right. Bye-bye.